In this video, we'll generate the shifted Legendre polynomials using COMBINA function in the coefficients. So the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum is the summation of a times negative x to the power k, where k is from 0 to n and n is from 0 to 5. So data validation, list of items 0 to 5. So these are the values of n. And our k will be equal to our formula or line sequence, that's 0 to n. So n plus 1, one column starting from 0 incremented by 1. So that at n equals 0, k equals 0, n equals 1, k equals 0, 1, n equals 2, k equals 0, 1, 2, k, n equals 3, k equals 0, 1, 2, 3. And the Taylor-Maclaurin series sum expansion will be Array formula, series sum of the minus x, that's minus x raised to the power k, which starts from 0, incremented by 1, and the coefficient a will be this range. Here we have the trend line equation, which is also the shifted Legendre polynomial, and the trend line. And our coefficient will be our array formula minus 1 to the power n times combina n minus k, that's n minus k plus 1, comma k. So if this is empty, this should be 0. So we correct this. So if k is empty, zero. Otherwise, calculate. Now it's corrected. Now we continue. We'll complete the coefficient times combina. That's n plus 1. N plus 1, comma k, comma k. Sure. So here we have the trend line equation and the polynomial and the regression coefficients. So we begin with 0, n equals 0. At n equals 0, regression coefficients is 1, so that's 1, y equals 1, y equals 1, and this is the trend line. At n equals 1, regression coefficient is negative 1 plus 2x. That's y equals negative 1 plus 2x, and it's a straight line. At n equals 2, here we have a decaying, which is 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. So, and here we have 1, y equals 1 minus 6x plus 6x squared. At n equals 3. So here we have negative 1 plus 12x minus 30x squared plus 20x cubed. Negative 1 plus 12x minus 30x squared plus 20x cubed. N equals 4. N equals 4. We have 1 minus 20x plus 90x squared minus 140x cubed plus 70x to the fourth. And n equals 5. So we have negative 1 plus 30x minus 210x squared and 560x cubed minus 630x to the fourth plus 252x to the fifth. This completes the use of Taylor-Maclaurin series sum and LINEST polynomial regression to generate the shifted Legendre polynomials using the COMBINA function.